Hi, I'm David Camino, a partner here at Inman Camino. Today I wanted to continue to talk about arbitration. This time I want to talk about some of the downsides of arbitration. One downside of arbitration is that they can actually be more expensive than litigation. And in some previous 2-Minute Tuesdays, we talked about the advantage that arbitrations could be less expensive. So it may seem a little bit incongruous to talk about how they can also be more expensive. But the reason why is because in certain courts, specifically in the lower trial court of Maryland, there is a judge, the procedure is very similar to arbitration. However, the judge doesn't get paid, at least by the parties, whereas an arbitrator does. So sometimes arbitration can actually be a little bit more expensive than a trial, especially in the smaller cases. Another disadvantage to arbitration is that arbitrators' awards are not appealable. What that means is that if the arbitrator makes a mistake of law or of fact, there's nothing either of the parties can do. They're stuck with the opinion that the arbitrator issued. Now that's very broad guidelines. There are some times where an arbitrator's award is appealable, but it's unlikely. It's far easier to appeal the decision of a judge than it is to appeal the decision of an arbitrator. Another disadvantage to arbitration is that the parties are less likely to get extreme awards. Now, I spoke last time about how that's an advantage, and in some sense it is. But to people who are looking to get a very, very large award, who think that they're going to be the exception to the rule, arbitrator's not likely to do that for you. An arbitrator's likely to fit within very broad general guidelines. And so if you're looking to be one of the extreme cases, if you think that you can convince a jury that yours is a case that deserves to be paid a lot more than the average case, an arbitrator is probably not the right decision for you. Again, I'm David Camino with the law firm of Inman Camino. If you have any questions about arbitration or any other legal matters, please give me a call.